Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Avocados contain many nutrients and healthy unsaturated fats. These healthy fats will repair and replenish your muscles after your workout session. It also makes your joints stronger. So today I want to share a healthy and high protein avocado and paneer sandwich. This is a post-workout recipe. It takes very less time to prepare. Fats in avocado will reduce the inflammation in your body and you will feel more energetic even after your workout. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Slit the avocado circularly like this. Take out the seed and scoop out the flesh into a mixing bowl. Mash it well and make it into a fine paste. Then add half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon chopped parsley, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix all these things well. Then add 2 tablespoons of chopped onions and mix well. Yes, here our avocado sandwich spread is ready. Grease the pan with very little oil and heat it. Then fry the paneer slices on both the sides. Then in the same pan, fry the tomato slices on both sides. Then apply the prepared avocado spread on the multigrain bread slices. And on one slice, keep the fried paneer slices, then tomato slices, and cover it with the other slice. Press it well and prepare the sandwiches. Now grease the grill pan with some oil on all sides and heat it. Then keep the prepared sandwiches on it and fry well on both the sides. Take them out into a plate. Then cut the sandwiches diagonally. Yes, our healthy, high protein and nutrient rich avocado paneer sandwich is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like it and share this to your friends, and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.